I want to build a team of some bad people who can do some good.
What are you really up to?
Flag is a need to know. And all you need to know is you work for me.
You need real soldiers, not these scumbags.
Everyone has a weakness, and a weakness can be leveraged.
That is just a mean lady.
Yeah. We got a job to do. Light it up!
Getting people to act against their own self-interest is what I do for a living.
I'll accept the consequences.
I am your consequence.
They warned me about you. I didn't believe the stories.
Nobody does.
Suicide Squad, rated PG-13. Experience it in IMAX 3D.